What really happens when you eat chia seeds every day? What if I told you that one tiny seed could transform your digestion, boost your energy, improve your heart, and even give your skin a youthful glow? Naturally, most people overlook chia seeds, thinking they're just a trendy superfood. But what actually happens when you make them a daily habit? Stick around, because on today's episode of Doc Nature TV, we're breaking down the 7 powerful changes your body experiences when you start eating chia seeds every day, plus a bonus tip at the end that might surprise you. 1. Gut health gets a serious boost. Let's start where it all begins, your gut. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds pack a whopping 10 grams of fiber. That's like a gentle broom sweeping through your digestive tract every morning. Once soaked, chia turns into a gel-like texture, like nature's own jelly, that helps things move smoothly through your intestines. Say goodbye to bloating and constipation, and hello to regular, happy bowels. Fun fact, the word chia comes from the ancient Mayan word for strength. And now we know why. They were gut-wise warriors. 2. Your heart says thank you. If your heart could talk, it would cheer for chia. These tiny seeds are packed with plant-based omega-3s, especially alpha-linolenic acid, ELA, which is a heart protective fat. Research shows chia seeds can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and balance cholesterol. It's like adding premium oil to your heart's engine, smoother, safer, and more efficient. 3. Blood sugar stays in check. Crashing after breakfast? Blame the sugar roller coaster. But chia seeds? They slow things down, in a good way. The soluble fiber forms a gel that slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. No more 10 a.m. slumps or sugar spikes. One study showed that adding chia to white bread reduced blood sugar response by nearly 40%. Perfect for people managing prediabetes, insulin resistance, or just needing stable energy all day. 4. It helps with weight management. Trying to lose weight or avoid gaining it back. Chia seeds are the ultimate hunger hackers. Once in your stomach, they expand like tiny sponges, sending a signal to your brain that says, "Hey, we're full." Plus, with both fiber and protein, they reduce cravings and help balance appetite hormones like ghrelin. In one study, participants who ate chia consumed fewer calories and stayed satisfied longer. Now that's food working for you. 5. You build stronger bones and teeth. Think milk is your only calcium source? Think again. Just 2 tablespoons of chia give you 18% of your daily calcium, along with magnesium, phosphorus, and even boron, a rare mineral that improves calcium absorption. It's like giving your bones a toolbox. Calcium equals the bricks. Magnesium and phosphorus equals the scaffold. Boron equals the builder who makes it all work. And yes, it helps keep your teeth strong and enamel protected too. 6. Skin and hair start to glow. Chia seeds are like edible skincare. Packed with antioxidants, they fight off free radicals, the unstable molecules that cause wrinkles, age spots, and dull skin. They even outperform blueberries in antioxidant power. You're feeding your skin from the inside out, and that glow you're chasing? Chia might just be the secret weapon. 7. More energy, less crash. This is where ancient warriors and modern science meet. Aztec messengers used chia before long runs. Today, athletes are still tapping into its slow-release energy powers, thanks to the mix of fat, fiber, and protein. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick high and then a crash, chia keeps you energized steadily. Great for workouts, long workdays, or parenting marathons. Bonus tip: soak before you eat. Here's the magic trick. Soaking chia seeds overnight in water or milk makes them even more powerful. They can absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, making them easier to digest and helping release more nutrients. Start with 1 tablespoon soaked in a glass of water or almond milk. Add lemon or fruit for flavor. Sip in the morning for gut magic and all-day energy. Quick myth buster: eating raw chia seeds isn't harmful in small quantities, but eating them dry without enough water may cause discomfort. So always hydrate them, or yourself. So, what really happens when you eat chia seeds every day? 1. Your digestion improves. 2. Your heart stays protected. 3. Your blood sugar balances. 4. Your cravings reduce. 5. Your bones get stronger. 6. Your skin and hair glow. 7. Your energy lasts longer. Plus, you supercharge benefits when you soak them first. If this chia-powered transformation amazed you, go ahead and tap the like button right now. Got a favorite chia recipe or story? Share it in the comments. We'd love to hear. And if you want more natural, science-backed health tips delivered with love from Doc Nature TV, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Because at Doc Nature, we believe nature has all the answers. You just need to know where to look.